Welcome to Raj Technologies, myself Rajshekhar, and you are seeing the videos of full stack Java training, and we are in the topic object oriented concepts. And in the last videos we have seen about objects, classes, abstraction and encapsulation, and in this video we are going to see one of the good and very important feature of object oriented, that is inheritance. So we will be seeing about inheritance. The meaning of inherit is like take it, use it. So let us understand more about this inheritance. So the meaning of inheritance is like creating new classes using existing classes. Creating a new class from an existing class is called as inheritance. And how to achieve this inheritance is by using a keyword extends. Like example, if you take a class like vehicle, and in this vehicle we go with some code, and if you take a class car extends vehicle, so the keyword what we use to create a new class by using existing class is what? Extends. Now, when we write the code in this way, whenever we create car object, the car object can access its own members and also vehicle members. So with that we achieve what here? Through inheritance, we achieve the reusability of the code. So what is the main advantage of going for inheritance? The subclass object can access its own members and also the base class members, that is vehicle members. With that what we achieve? Reusability of the code. And the terminologies are like this vehicle class, we call it as the base class, or we call it as super class or parent class. And the new class whatever we have created like car, we call this car as the derived class or subclass or child class. So anyone is same? Now, we are having some types of inheritance. The types of inheritance are, we are in totally 5 forms or 5 types of inheritance. Let me elaborate more about these types of inheritance. Types are forms of inheritance. Now, if you consider, we are having a class A, and by using this class A, if you are creating a new class B, the diagrammatic symbol for extends keyword is triangle arrow head. So in this example, we are having a class B which is extending A class. And this type of inheritance we call it as single inheritance. Then let us consider we are having one more class like A. We are having class A. Using class A we are creating one more class B, and using class B we are creating one more class C. Like that goes on. And this type of inheritance we call it as multi-level inheritance. Now let me take one more form of inheritance. Like we are having class A and we are having one more class B. Using this A and B, we are creating one more new class C. Means a new class is created using multiple classes. And this type of inheritance, we call it as multiple inheritance. If you consider like a class A, and under this class A, we are having multiple subclasses like class B and one more class C like that. So one superclass with multiple subclasses, we call it as hierarchical. We call it as hierarchical inheritance. We are having one more type of inheritance which is combination of all these types. Like example, if you consider class A, and using class A we are going to create one more new class B. Using class A we are going to create a class C, and using B and C we are going to create a new class D. And this type of inheritance, we call it as hybrid inheritance. If you take this ABC, only ABC, which we call it as hierarchical. And if you take BCD, which we call it as multiple. And if you take ACD, which we call it as multi-level. So all the combination of this inheritance, we call it as hybrid inheritance. So these are the 5 types of inheritance which are very, very important for us. So that's about inheritance, and we will be seeing more examples, the practical examples about inheritance when we enter into the Java programming. And that's about inheritance, and in the next video, we'll be seeing about polymorphism. Poly means many, and which we look into that polymorphism much more in depth in the next video. That's about in this video. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you once again.